Hello, my name is Joanne, and we're going to be talking about cell junctions. The topics discussed are going to be the different types of cell junctions. Those types include tight junctions, adherens junctions, gap junctions, desmosomes, and hemidesmosome junctions. So the different types of junctions, like we said, are tight junctions, which seal neighboring cells together using molecules and proteins. Adherens junctions, which use actin to also similarly bundle to neighboring proteins. Desmosomes use intermediate filaments to also bundle to those neighboring cells. Gap junctions allow the passage of small water molecules in order to enhance that bond within those neighboring cells. And hemidesmosomes allow for the bounding to the basal lamina using intermediate filaments. All cells stick to one another side by side for tissue production. A tight junction is usually found in the skin or the gut lining, uses a water-tight barrier along with two very important proteins, collagen and occlusion. Adherens junction use actin and calcium to obtain this type of junction. This calcium is called cadherin. This cadherin is using calcium to bridge these actin filaments together. Gap junctions are the use of protein channels in order to obtain that bridge between the cells. These are usually found in the heart. Desmosomes use intermediate filaments in order to stretch without tearing. These are cell-to-cell bound junctions that are usually found in skin cells and muscle cells. Hemidesmosomes also use intermediate filaments to become bound to the basal lamina. With the use of integrins, the cytoskeleton intermediate filaments can adhere and interact with the collagen of the ECM. These are usually found in epithelial cells, skin cells, and peritoneals.